You've got your nice new car. You're going to want to keep it running like new for as long as possible. That means protecting your engine from harmful deposits, starting on day one. Now you may be thinking, brand new car, the engine's clean, I don't have to worry about deposits for years. Well, impurities in fuels can cause carbon deposits to build up, even if you have a newer engine. And today's modern engines can be even more sensitive to deposits. But by treating your car with the Techron Fuel System Cleaner, you will clean deposits right up. Techron's unique and patented cleaning technology targets stubborn deposits that other fuel additives leave behind. It gets to the farthest reaches of your engine, where the worst deposits build up, and its unique formula bonds with and breaks apart carbon deposits more effectively than other fuel additives. Keeping your new car's engine clean with Techron products will help give you maximum performance and fuel economy and protect your investment over the long haul. The cleaner your engine, the better it drives. Treat it right from the start. For those who expect more, there's Techron.